In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Framer if you're refreshing your brand or customizing a template. The process is quick once you know where everything lives. We'll open your project, insert an image, add your new logo file, and place it exactly where it belongs so it looks sharp and consistent across your design. First, go to Framer and open the project that needs the update. Navigate to the specific page or component where the logo appears, most often the navigation bar or header. It helps to zoom in so you can clearly see the current logo area and any alignment guides. Make sure you're in design mode, not preview, so you can interact with layers on the canvas and move elements around without restrictions. Next, click Insert. You'll find it at the top of the interface, and it opens a panel of elements you can add. From there, click Image. Your cursor will change, letting you place an image frame on the canvas. Click once to drop it, or click and drag to draw the exact size you want. For the best results, prepare a transparent PNG or, ideally, an SVG version of your logo so it scales cleanly without blurring. Now add your new logo to that image frame. In the right-hand sidebar, select the option to choose or upload an image, then pick your logo file from your computer or asset library. If you're using a raster image, aim for a high-resolution file so it looks crisp on high-density displays. If the logo appears stretched or cut off, adjust the fit settings to contain or original size so the proportions stay true. You can also fine-tune padding, remove any unwanted shadows, and keep the background clear so the mark sits cleanly on your layout. With the logo loaded, drag the image frame to the logo location on your design. Framer's Smart Guides will help you align it with other elements. If there's an existing logo, line the new one up over the original, and then remove or hide the old layer to avoid duplicates. Resize by dragging the handles and hold Shift to keep the aspect ratio consistent. For responsive layouts, check the constraints in the sidebar so the logo stays pinned where you expect, typically to the left or center, when the canvas changes width. Once it's aligned and sized just right, your new logo is in place and your design is updated. That's all you need to refresh your brand mark in Framer quickly and confidently.